In today's video, I will show you how to install MPPS V22 ECU Remapping tool software, specifically V22.2.3.5. I have provided a download link to the EU stable software shown in this video. It is more reliable with bugs fixed compared to the one that comes with the China tools. Please enjoy the video and comment your success.
Not a lie alone tonight. I will never have the life you stole. Now I'm keeping everything in my soul. If you call me in the night, I will ask you.
Extract the RAR to desktop or wherever you like. Run the installer and complete the setup.
At the 11th hour, people fail to pass the test. Holding out for a last chance, the heart to relapse. One more light to take me, and I hope they won't try.
Plug in MPPS interface, run the software, and enjoy.